Two people, same job, same salary. They invest the exact same amount in the exact same funds for the exact same 40 years. But when they retire, one of them has hundreds of thousands of dollars more than the other. They did everything identically, except for one single choice. One picked a 401k, the other picked a Roth IRA. And here's the part that's going to surprise you. The right answer is not the one most people blindly choose. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one makes you richer, the one mistake that quietly costs people a fortune, and the simple trick to get the best of both. Welcome to Jecob Finance, where we break down investing in a simple way. But first, a quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice, and taxes depend on your personal situation. Now, let's get into it. Before we can crown a winner, you need to understand one thing that confuses almost every beginner. A 401k and a Roth IRA are not investments. Let me say that again, because it changes everything. They are not things you invest in. They're accounts. Think of them like two special greenhouses. The seeds you plant inside, your actual investments like index funds, are the same. But these greenhouses have magical powers that protect your money from one thing that quietly eats away at almost everyone's wealth: taxes. The entire battle between the 401k and the Roth IRA comes down to a single question. When do you want to pay your taxes? That's it. That's the whole game. So let's meet our two players. First, the 401k. This is the account your employer offers you at work, and its superpower is simple: tax me later. When you put money into a traditional 401k, it goes in before taxes are taken out, so it instantly lowers your taxable income today, meaning a smaller tax bill this year. Your money then grows for decades, untouched, but there's a catch, and it's a big one. When you finally pull that money out in retirement, you pay taxes on all of it. Every dollar you contributed and every dollar it grew into. You didn't skip the tax, you just delayed it. Meet traditional Tom. Tom loves his 401k because he gets a nice tax break right now while he's earning good money. But the tax man is patient, and he's waiting for Tom in retirement. Now, the Roth IRA. This is an account you open yourself at any brokerage in about 10 minutes, and its superpower is the opposite: tax me now. With a Roth, you put in money that you've already paid taxes on, so there's no tax break today. Ouch. But here's where the magic happens. That money grows for decades, and when you take it out in retirement, you pay zero taxes. Nothing. Not on your contributions, not on 40 years of growth. It all comes out completely, beautifully tax-free. Meet Roth Rachel. Rachel pays her taxes up front and never has to think about the taxman again. Every dollar in her account is truly hers. So now you see the real question. It was never really which account is better. It's when will your tax rate be higher, today or in retirement? Because the golden rule is simple: pay your taxes when your rate is lower. And this is where it clicks. If you're young or early in your career, earning a modest income, your tax rate is probably low right now. So paying tax today, the Roth way, is cheap, and you lock in decades of tax-free growth. That's why, for most young and middle-income people, the Roth IRA quietly wins. But if you're a high earner in your peak years, in a high tax bracket today, and you expect to spend less in retirement, then getting that tax break now with a 401k can make more sense. Now here's a twist that blows people's minds. If your tax rate were exactly the same today and in retirement, the 401k and the Roth would leave you with the exact same amount of money, identical. It's just math. Paying tax at the start or the end gives the same result when the rate doesn't change, so the winner is decided entirely by that difference in tax rates. But, and this is the part almost nobody tells beginners, the Roth has some hidden advantages that quietly tip the scales in its favor. Advantage 1, certainty. With a Roth, you know exactly what you'll have in retirement because it's all yours. No future tax man taking a mystery cut. With a 401k, you're guessing what tax rates will be decades from now, and history says taxes today are actually pretty low. Advantage 2, a 401k forces you to start withdrawing money at age 73 whether you need it or not. Those are called required minimum distributions. A Roth IRA has no such rule. Your money can grow tax-free for as long as you like, and you can even pass it to your kids. Advantage 3, freedom. A 401k usually locks you into a small menu of funds your employer picked. A Roth IRA lets you invest in almost anything. And advantage 4, flexibility. In a pinch, you can pull out the money you contributed to a Roth without taxes or penalties. Try that with a 401k and you'll get hammered with fees. So does that mean the Roth always wins? Not so fast, because there's one rule that beats everything else, and skipping it is the single most expensive mistake in this entire topic. Here it is. If your employer offers a 401k match, you take that match first, always. A match means your company puts in free money every time you contribute, often 50 cents or a full dollar for every dollar you put in, up to a limit. That is an instant 50 to 100% return on your money, guaranteed, that exists nowhere else in investing. Turning that down to fund a Roth instead isn't clever. It's leaving a stack of free cash on the table every single year. So no matter what, get the full match first. Which brings us to the answer nobody expects. For most people, it was never Roth versus 401k. The smartest move is usually both. Here's the simple game plan the wealthy quietly follow. Step 1. Put money into your 401k up to the full employer match. Grab that free money. Step 2, once you've got the match, switch over and max out your Roth IRA, locking in that tax-free growth. Step 3, if you still have more to invest after that, go back and put more into your 401k. Do this and something powerful happens. You build 2 buckets for retirement, one that's taxable and one that's completely tax-free. That's called tax diversification, and it gives you total control over your tax bill in retirement, no matter what the government does with tax rates in the future. Oh, and one quick note, many workplaces now offer a Roth 401k too, which blends both ideas. The high contribution limits of a 401k with the tax-free growth of a Roth. If yours has it, it's absolutely worth a look. So let's crown the winner. If you're young, earning a modest income, and you want simplicity, freedom, and certainty, the Roth IRA is very likely your champion, and the tax-free growth is hard to beat. If you're a high earner today chasing a tax break and your employer match, the 401k earns its place. But the real winner for almost everyone is refusing to choose just one. Grab the match, feed the Roth, and use both, because here's the honest truth. Whether you pick Roth, 401k, or both, you will absolutely crush the person who did the most common thing of all, nothing. The biggest fortune isn't lost picking the wrong account. It's lost by never starting or by leaving free employer money on the table year after year. So open the account, get the match, and let time and tax-free growth do the rest. If this finally cleared up the Roth versus 401k confusion for you, let me know down in the comments which one you're using. I read every single one. And if you want to know exactly what to actually invest in inside these accounts, that video is waiting for you right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.